children, today we are going to discuss some important thing regarding CBSE preparation tips 2023. So already as we know, the Central Board has announced the date of the examination of class 10 and class 12 February 15, 2023. The board is said to be announced the complete schedule for the CBSE 10th and 12th board 2023. So, according to several media report, however, the schedule for the CBSE, the board exam will be available on board's website soon. Okay. In the light of few months remaining, the CBSE 10 and class 12 2023, the board released tips to help the students to prepare better for the board examinations. Students taking the exams from February onwards are the preparation phase, is it? So we have to give some tips and for students to increase their chances of creating better environment to prepare for boards. So CBSE 12th preparation means all the students are preparing for CBSE class 12 board examination must cover the entire syllabus well in time. At least a month should be kept reserved for the revision all the important things. Here few CBSE class 12 preparations I will tell you. The first one is make a schedule, that means timetable. Students must begin early with the preparations for the board examination. They must talk about full schedule, follow religiously. All the important topics should be revised every after few days. Okay. So the second most important thing is revise formula. One of the most important thing, exams formula is very important for the subject of maths and science. Students should sure that they will learn all the formulas by heart and revise them every day as to not forget them while attempting any questions. And the third one, eat healthy diet. Students must make sure do not skip your meals between studies. Meals are very important for the proper working for our body and mind. It rejuvenates our mind and body, is it? So you have to eat a plenty of balanced diet. And the fourth one is practice previous year's question paper. That is very important. CBSE sample papers all are available in the site. So you have to attempt the previous year's question papers and sample papers. Give the students an insight into the type of questions asked and the marking scheme also. So you have to go through it. So the main thing, the CBSE 10th board preparation. So they are not familiar with the board. So you have to get familiar with the exam pattern and syllabus. It is essential that students know the exam pattern and syllabus thoroughly. CBSE class 10 exam pattern includes details about the types of questions, the number of questions, duration of exam, marking scheme, and the sections covered among others. Students are suggested to go through complete CBSE class 10 syllabus. The CBSE class 10 exam consists of a total of 100 marks, which is subdivided as annual board exam. They will give 80 marks. The passing mark is 33% out of 80 of each subject. And internal assessment, they will give 20 marks from the school. 20 marks include with the 10 marks of periodic test and note submission 5 marks. Subject activities 5 marks. Total you will get 20 internal mark. And next one is you have to go through, you are appearing board exam first time. So you have to give a study schedule. So first of all, make a study schedule. Without proper planning, it is almost impossible to reach your target. You have to study hard. So to prepare CBSE exam effectively, students must make proper study timetable and follow the same. Making schedule will help boost the confidence and the students can study at a constant pace. While following the study schedule, make sure have assign more time to difficult subject. So not only study the more difficult subject, but also you have to go through each and every subject with a less difficult also. They will ask from anywhere. Second one, solve previous year question paper and sample paper. Students are suggested to practice previous year CBSE online question papers are available. So analyze and so according to time management, you have to do the question papers and solve it. Time limit will help to keep track their problem solving speed. Okay. And the third one, take a break while studying. That is very, very important. You do not have to continue to study. You have to take a break in between. It makes learning difficult for the students. Sit on a face for a long time. and it is suggested students to take short break while studying. During 10 to 15 minutes of exercise in between your studies will help you stay fit and healthy. And also you have to, whatever you are doing, you have to do with your active preparations and all. It will rejuvenate your mind and body, and also it will mentally prepare for your future sciences also. And the fourth one is group study CBSE class 10 exams. Group study is very important for some students. It is good. Studying with a group in a friend is always fun, is it? Listening and speaking always help better learning. Group study helps understanding the concept faster. Alongside, boring topics will become interesting while in study with the group, is it? So, group study section and helps students to extend their study schedule longer. And the next thing is avoid using slang. Always remember that the speaking skill and writing skill is entirely different for English language. So spoken and written English are not same. Using slang words or SMS slangs will be considered the spelling mistake. One will be penalized the same, leading to loss of mark also. So writing is entirely different than speaking. So you have to go through writing well. And the next one is take a proper rest. That is very important. Stress, fear, anxiety hampers preparation, affects our performance of the board exam. So it is suggested to start preparing and relax the mind, get a proper night's sleep, especially before the exam day. So what you have to do, you have to take a maximum time of rest, and it will rejuvenate your mind and body. And also you will get, while you get relaxed time, you can do your leisure time activity also. And the very important thing is you must have to go through proper sleep. So these are the things you have to follow. And the last one, write appropriate answers. After all the preparations or the exam, come on the time when the answer sheets must be reflect the hard work, is it? So students must follow the proper technique and strategy to write the answers in the best way and complete the exam well on time. Make the best use of 15 minutes reading time allotted for before starting and writing the exam. So you have to use your time while reading 15 minutes wisely, and you will get a good chance to write the exam, and you will get a good marks also. So overall you have to follow all these things, and keep on trying, and hard work is the key to success. If you get a good marks in the future also, so you have to study, take your own time and study. Any difficult subjects are there, you have to go through first difficult subject, study hard, and once you by heart, it is not good way to study. So you have to write and study. So if it is possible, so go through all these things and eat some healthy food and proper sleep. Everything is must. So all the good luck for your future CBSE exam. The exams are on near to you on February. There is not much time, so revise well. Okay, good luck. Bye. Thank you.